Good morning. My name is Bill Bowie. I own USA Leak Detection and operate out of Spring, Texas, all over the southeast area of the region. I've got several pieces of equipment out here today I'd like to introduce you to, just to give you an idea of what kind of a service I'm able to provide for you. I've got a leak finder right here, which is used for listening to hard surfaces for locating leaks beneath concrete, slab homes, streets, any hard surface that a leak might be beneath but cannot be seen. We'll step over here to the next piece of equipment, which is a pipeline locator. So if you don't know where the pipes are at, there's no way you're going to find a leak. So we'll locate the pipes or pipelines, water lines, sewer lines, or gas lines, locate the lines first, and again we can take a more positive approach to efficiently locating the leak in the shortest period of time. This next piece of equipment you see here, many of you may have seen the name before, FLIR. It is a thermal imager. We take pictures inside of homes or even outside through walls. Not necessarily through walls, but we get a picture developed by temperature. A lot of times if there's a leak inside of a wall, it can be detected because you can see the pattern inside the wall that you can't see with the naked eye based on the color palette produced by this piece of equipment. We'll move on over here to video cameras. These are drain cameras. They go down storm drains, they can go down PVC pipelines, they can go down ABS pipelines, any drain, waste, or sewer line for the most part on the domestic side of things. This is not big enough for a 24-inch city line, but I do mostly commercial and residential, so I'm outside of the city's area of expertise as it is anyway. So we've got a large camera that's got 200 feet of cable on it. Maximum, depending on the points of entry, it can record for miles if it's got a place to get into the system. A smaller camera over here with the monitor in between them that is 100 feet long for doing 2-inch lines and bigger. I do have a smoking unit that I use for making invisible gases visible, such as sewer gas odors in homes or businesses, commercial buildings, restaurants. It allows me to locate, physically see where the smoke's coming from so we can identify the leaks more quickly above the foundation and make a repair and retest to determine whether or not there are more leaks or if that's the only one. So if you have a sewer odor, a leaking water line, a leaking drain line, essentially any water, sewer, or gas, I can come out and locate the leak or leaks for you should the need be. Thank you very much. My name is Bill Bowie. I own USA Leak Detection. The phone number is 281-353-7257, and the website is usaleak.net. Thank you for your patience and your interest.